All right, this is a session recap for the 18th day of December. This morning we were watching as the dollar index started to make a turn, got a little dinky bear flag here. We're anticipating a move to the upside. We're above the MACD, so MACD tells us you're officially a seller. And we have done 5 waves to the downside over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So an A, B, C makes total sense here if it happens. Get the wrong tool. B, C. All right. So we're looking for that move up there. MACD is pointing the way up on the 240. All right. So maybe it's going to go up. I don't know yet. It's not clear. All right. But we're going to go with up. So euro dollar then would be trying to move down. As you can see, it is. The target is down here at 108.16. And let me get the ATR up here. ATR. Euro dollar has an ATR of 82 pips. Over the pound dollar blog post this morning, it did break this morning, so we might have had somebody in it. And target is down here at 2604, holding for 2600. Pound dollar has a 97 pip ATR. Over to dollar Swissy, we're looking forward to bounce and go up with the dollar. It hasn't bounced. It has bounced with a closing reverse, but gone nowhere. Target is up there, 67.35, 87.35, sorry. And dollar Swissy has a 68 pip ATR. Dollar yen, it is just meandering up the hill here, following the dollar index. MACD's already made the turn up. Our target is at 144, even up there with 191 pip ATR. Aussie dollar, there we go. We got the break to the downside. Okay, got to wait for a pullback up here. It's got to come all the way back up to this white dot here to get 55 pips to the downside. But if it does, you have a trade right there. It will be 55 pips. New Zealand dollar is 68 pip ATR. All right. And we got that one right. So there we go. Even though you don't trade it, you go back and say, that's what I was anticipating. It did that. I got it right. And the more times you can say I got it right, the more confidence you're going to have in your ability to find what the market's trying to do. All right, euro yen, we're waiting for a pullback. We got one. We're looking for a bounce up to 155.64 up there. And euro yen has an ATR of 178 pips a day. Pound yen, all right, we got our pullback here to the 382, and they found some buyers immediately, but nobody's interested. Our trade is really up in here, as you can see, this big area right in here. Target is 182.18, with pound yen having an ATR of 198. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, we just got a breakout to the downside. We don't have room to trade this. Target is at 61.84, and New Zealand dollar has a ATR of 68 pips is all. Over to Aussie yen. Aussie yen just missed our target by a couple of pips here. That is an exit. They're exiting. Why? Because they don't have 55 pips. They can't make the trade to the target. So they're just exiting right now. Aussie yen ATR was 96 pips and just missed it by about 6 pips. Right? Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, there's the breakout up. We got this one right too. Wait for a hook back down. Watch for the bounce. We can trade this. 63.62 is the target. Euro Aussie has an ATR of 102 pips. Pound Aussie. All right, pound Aussie underway up as we thought. So we got those all right this morning. Wait for a pullback. Our target is up here at 89.54 area. And pound Aussie has an ATR of 149 pips. Euro New Zealand also breaking up and didn't have everybody in it, but pretty nice little move so far for it. Still got room to the target. You get any pullback, you want to consider this up to 76.50. Euro New Zealand has an ATR of 166 pips. Pound New Zealand, all right, it hasn't broken up yet. It's trying, but it hasn't yet. And there she is right there. So we need a pullback and then a bounce, and we're looking for 204.30, 204.40 actually up there. And Pound New Zealand has an ATR of 161 pips. New Zealand yen, right to pip to its target, nothing to do there. New Zealand yen has a 96 pip ATR. Can't trade Aussie Swissy, ATR is too small. And can't trade pound Swissy because they already went to the ATR. It's already done. Pound Swissy has a 68 pip ATR. Aussie New Zealand, it's just below 55 pips. It's got what, 53, I think. Yeah, no, it's above 60 pips. Target is at 108.23 up there, and we can't trade it because we don't have 55 pips left. But there you go. All right, there we go. And